All right, so I just got this LapGear lap product so I can put my laptop on here. Let's take a look at it, do the unboxing, and see what we got here. So then came in a box, this box here, which actually has the product name on it. Fortunately, I haven't had any problem people stealing packages from Amazon, but I wanted to get this so that I could use my tablet if I'm in a meeting or something like that, even at church. But it's got some really tiny soft beads in there, so it can conform easily to the legs, to my thighs when I have it on me. And it's got a little catch here to keep the tablet or laptop from sliding down. And it's got a little trackpad here, or I should say a mouse pad built on here so that you can use your mouse here, and you can place your phone here. So that's pretty good. Seems like it will hold. It's deep enough to hold. I have a Google Pixel Pro, so it's too wide to go landscape. Well, it still sticks over, but it'll go in there. At least it'll hold that way. This is not really adjustable. Then it's got a little padding here for your product that you're going to be using. Then let's see, pop this open, I guess here. That doesn't seem to come open. Okay, it's kind of hard to open up. But then on the inside here, you can adjust this to whatever height you want, you know, for your laptop. Then there's another adjustment here. So if you wanted to use that one, not sure why there actually are two brackets here. Actually, I see now, it gives you more height with this one. So if you wanted to sit straight up for whatever reason, it can do that for you. So there you go.